update video on the transmitter. You all can see what's going on with it pretty easily. A quarter, 4 inches, 2 inches. So a quarter wavelength, full wavelength in the secondary, half wavelength in the extra coil, which is the opposite direction. Primary, secondary, extra coil. Here's the circuitry. Green is ground. Literally connects just to earth ground. Nothing crazy about it. This acts as my ground antenna. This just goes to ground. Nothing to it, just copper pipe. Sits next to the transmitter. Connects to ground. Literally all it does, connects right to ground. Just like that. Transmitter runs off a DC supply anywhere from 0 to 40 volts. Consuming less than 15 watts. Got wireless power. Stream wireless power. So again, here's how it looks. Cleaned up the circuitry, tuned it really well. And that's not even the impressive part. This transmitter creates massive circulating ground currents. And I have 2 separate ground points. The ground over there and the ground of my heater. Goes to a bridge rectifier. Okay, I hope you saw that. Ground of the heater, ground of the outlet. Goes to a bridge rectifier. And this is what we're getting for power out of it. 62 volts, 86 milliamps. This is almost at the point where it can run itself from this spot. So I'll connect a really bright string of LEDs to it. And look at that. Look at these LEDs that are being run off of it. Look at that. Can also run an incandescent bulb down here, a little one. And just notice that when that's running, I also still get wireless. Look at that. You can touch it to different points. Like the range, I got the range to the point where it's nearly incredible. Anything grounded, it'll light up on. From something so simple. Look at that. Those are dimly lit. No change on source. No change. No change. No change. Certain metals it loves. No change at all. I'll shut this light off so you can see better. No change. Doesn't even flicker down there. Hopefully you can see that in frame. Not even a flicker. No change on source. Those little things lit wirelessly too. Not your average Tesla coil. Auto tuning, grounded, magnifying transmitter. Runs off DC. As you see, I touch it, things will get detuned. Disconnect this ground, it'll get dimmer. See that? So no ground. Consuming 14.9. Connect it. Not much of a change. Maybe 0.3. And if you get this tuned right, there literally is no change. So we have a slight change there, but it's only from tuning. That's bright. Very bright. Pretty much just walk around anywhere in my room and light stuff with it. No degradation. But yeah, if anyone knows more about this, feel free to let me know, because I'm trying to find out all I can about this type of stuff. Seems to be some kind of like monopole Marconi antenna effect going on. Like no degradation anywhere. I can just bring it close to the metal and look. Just getting close to the metal. Like the whole entire ground is being soaked in RF energy from my device. And it's extremely power efficient too. That's bright. And look at this. It's like anything metal it lights up on. No change. And look at that. Yeah, I can have a million of these circuits, collect all their power, and have all the power I want. I've now changed to using special avalanche diodes.